Hey there, it's Matt here, and I wanted to, through this video, show our Mini Combo Pro package, Mini Combo Pro. So basically what we do here is we've upgraded everything. So we've got the T35. Now the T35 is an awesome machine. It's got a Perkins diesel engine in it, okay? Electronic over hydraulic control, super easy. We've got our Mitsubishi Fuso. Once again, so there's two ways this can be registered. It can have a 6-ton GVM or a 4.5-ton GVM. If it has a 4.5-ton GVM, basically what happens is with a 4.5-ton GVM, it means you can carry about 1.8 ton. If you have a 6-ton GVM, it means you can carry about 3.3 thereabouts, as in weight, as in dirt or whatever load is on there, right? Now, the reason why this is a Pro package, right, because you've got your Pro machine. This is super easy to operate. You've probably seen my other videos on this. Plus, you've got the 2.3 ton digger, okay? Now, the only thing that's optional that's in these videos and stuff is the auger. The auger's an extra $2,600 plus GST. If you're asking, can you use the same auger on both machines? You can. We just need an adapter plate that we'd add an adapter plate for the T35. Now, looking at this machine, this has got expandable tracks, so it goes down to 990 and then out to 1200. It's got your swing boom. It's got your pilot electric over hydraulic controls. So really good machine, right? Now, together, these as a package is $100,900 plus your GST, right? So it's going to put you up very close to, you'll get change out of 150. You've got to put your rego on there as well. So it's just going to be just shy of 150, but you're getting the bee's knees setup, right? Now, if you compared this, right, what work this can do compared to, say, a combo package, right, where you'd step it up even higher and you might have, say, a 4-ton machine and a Bobcat plus a truck that's suitable for carrying that, that's going to set you back well and truly into high 200s, even leaning into the 300s. So you're going to get pretty much the same amount of money for this package, right? If you're going out as a combi, most guys, when they're doing the combo packages, they stop and start and work out prices for entire jobs. So you might go, I'm going to do this job for you. You've got all your gear. You know it's going to take you 4 hours and you charge them $1,500. It looks like a good deal for them, but you've invested in that gear and do that twice a day and things start to roll into really serious cash. Finance-wise, you're heading towards that sort of $500 a week, but when you think about it, you really only need one job or 1 day's work across a month, give or take, to do this. Now, remember, it's not in the video, but we do include ramps, okay, as part of the package. Plus, we would put down tie-down points inside the actual tray. They're not in this video, but there's tie-down points, so you can literally chain it down so it's nice and secure, okay? Plus, we have a swing gate. The truck that we're doing the video with doesn't have the swing gate, okay? So basically, all in, all done, GST, includes brand new Mitsubishi Fuso. We add rego, doesn't matter where you are in Australia, we can get this delivered to you, no problems at all. We do New South Wales and Queensland rego. If you're in another state, we can organise the rego with you. I can talk to you about that on the phone, okay? The T35, the ramps to get it off, okay? The trailer, if you ever want to interchange things, okay? This can obviously drive in the back of the truck and then that can go on the trailer. You can do whatever you want. If you decide that you only want, say, the T35 and the truck, which is a sort of another separate package, but the package, as you see here, the King 23, the 2.3 tonner, and the T35, the 35 horsepower, diesel powered, skid steer mini loader. This is basically a mini Bobcat when you get to the nitty gritty. The difference is you stand behind it. Me personally, and a lot of guys also think it's more comfortable standing behind because you're just whipping around, you're sort of part of everything instead of sitting down all day. Everyone's got their own opinion on that. 100 plus GST, around about the $500 a week mark as far as finance goes. If you're on wages, for example, you'd need a significant deposit to be able to purchase this entire package, right? If you're running a business, you've got a bit of cash flow, a little bit of money behind you, an ABN, you'll get finance for this, mostly not too much trouble. It's stuff that finance companies like, brand new vehicle, brand new machinery, backed up by 3-year warranty. I think the truck's got 5 years warranty on it. If you want to know more, if you want to have a conversation, the way to have a conversation, give me a call on the 1300 number below. drop us an email, office@diggerking.com.au, or go to diggerking.com.au/step 3, fill out the form. Awesome setup. Just imagine rolling up to your next job like this. Be a landscaper, be a plumber, whatever. You're fully rigged, fully rigged, ready to go. Literally roll off, whip up, do the job. Make sure you don't quote hourly, quote by the job wherever you can, because you're going to make a lot more money a lot faster because you're so efficient in the setup that you've got, because you invested the money in yourself. This is literally a cash machine on a trailer in the back of a truck, right? Don't forget, when you're not using the truck for work, you can take your gear out, put it in the shed, whatever, and you can use the truck for something else. Like you might want to tow a boat, do you know what I mean? You might want to put bikes or something in the back. You might want to put a quad in the back. You can do whatever you want, and then you've got the ramps, you can take it out. You can take this off the trailer and put a quad on that, quad on here, do whatever you want. So it's a versatile package to do lots of things. Looking forward to helping you. office@diggerking.com.au, call us on a 1300 number, or diggerking.com.au/step 3. Fill in that form below if you're watching this video online. Look forward to helping you.